Hey Maggie, what you doing in the front seat? Why are you in the front seat? Okay, so my mom and I went to Bordeaux's, a very awesome pizza place in Springfield, Missouri. And we had to leave our dog in the car. And she snuck up in the front seat. Not the first time she's done this. Alright, get back. Come on. Come on, get back. Get back.
Get back, Maggie.
Get back.
Get back.
Back seat. Good girl. Careful. We are on the road again. We're on the road again. Still. And it's 3 o'clock. I don't know if you can even see that. But it's 3 o'clock. So we're getting bored. And we decided that we're going to see how many 18-wheeler truck thingies. Big thing, I don't know what they're called, but oh well. Big trucks. How many we can get to Honk by doing this. So we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna do it till 3:30. So she's out. I know, lucky. Our first customer. Testing. Whatever.
Fail. I mean, he failed, not you.
Yeah. Contestants are always the one that fail. Hosts never fail.
Right.
Yay, we got a honker.
Thank you.
Yes. We got a honker. I'm so happy.
Yay.
Yeah. I'm so happy. You can see this giant smile on my face. Stupid loves guy.
Yeah, you're stupid.
Yeah, totally.
You totally missed out. You could have heard us one on YouTube.
Yeah. Woohoo! Alright, next dude. Are you ready for this? This guy's going kind of fast. Can we do it? Can we do it? Chugga 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 chugga. Ah! He even looked at me. I saw him look at me. He's boring. Boring peoples. I'm ready. Chugga 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 chugga. Chugga 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 chugga. Chugga chugga chugga. What are these guys doing?
Missing out on a wonderful opportunity.
God. Okay, well, come on, Landstar.
Come on, Landstar, you can do it. Come on, Ryan. Feel this one. Oh,
Let's
there's
feel it.
drinking. So he may, his hands may be busy.
Yeah! I don't think you heard it, but yeah!
That was a short one.
That was a short one, but still, we did it!
Yay! Thank
Yes!
you.
Yes! Yes! Oh, I think he's on the phone. Go, 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 go! honk, 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 honk. Honk. Oh, they did it? No. I think I have. I don't know. I think I heard something. Oh, maybe. He's gonna honk. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. I knew it. I knew it. Oh, come on. Hey, everybody. It is 3:30. And my clock's wrong by 3 minutes. So, my mom has something to say.
Hey.
What she was supposed to say was, thank you to all those truck drivers.
All the truck drivers who participated in our experiment by honking when we asked them to. You don't know what your contribution did to the future of YouTube, and we greatly appreciate your support. If you want to hear your horn, please check out. Which one are you going to put this on?
Both.
Please check out Final Shot Pictures and 09 AR Productions to listen for your particular horn. Thank you. Have a good day.
But they would need to go to my channel in order to find out their horn. So, in order to watch this video, there's